So what is a squeeze page? Do you squeeze it? What do you land on in a landing page? Find out inside.
You're curious about what's the difference between a squeeze page and a landing page. Well, you have landed on the right site because we're going to educate you about the difference between the squeeze page and the landing page. Many people confuse this often in their marketing. Well, actually, a squeeze page is designed to squeeze out the information from people so that you're able to build your list, qualify prospects, and those are the two main objectives of the squeeze page. The landing page, by definition, is where you direct people to land when they come to your desired URL, which is your uniform resource locator, which is actually something that can be an extension. So for the purpose of learning here about squeeze pages and landing pages, it's about building your list, how to qualify prospects, because if you're selling a knitting device, do you want people that are looking for cars? I don't think so. You want people that are looking for what they've raised their hand to look for. You want people that are qualified. A qualified prospect is someone that is looking for precisely what you have to sell. And we are in this game to sell. So what are good examples of high converting squeeze pages? Those that create an opportunity for people to relate to what you're offering them so that they take out their credit card and buy. We are here to sell. The whole purpose of being online is not just to have a website, it is to sell, to convert those people into buyers so you can then market to them later and make money. Money is the game here. You're on the right page to learn about that. Now, how do you know what a good squeeze page is? Is one that converts. And how do you make a good squeeze page? You're going to learn about that on this site here. How to convert, how to make a good squeeze page, and what are some of the design components such that people are interested to stay in your clasp, in your grip, such that they will buy from you. You want to continue to market and sell because the value of a client is oftentimes understood with astute marketing. If you don't know the value of your prospect, someone lands there, you've paid good money either through time, effort, pay-per-click, spending money on good optimization to get your site ranked, and then if they come there, they finally have raised their hand. Isn't it worthwhile knowing how to monetize and stay in touch with them? You're going to learn about some of the techniques we have used that have been able to take people into multi-six figures in return from getting a prospect that then becomes a customer, then becomes a client because you've marketed to his or her needs. And it all starts at the top of the funnel, and that's how you squeeze them into your clasp. And that's what a good squeeze page does. It starts there, so why not learn correctly right at the beginning? Liken this to when you have somebody in a rifle. This is the good example. If you have a long rifle and you're shooting at a target and you've got a scope on it, you can hit with precision that target. Versus if you have a shotgun that's just spraying all over the place, you're not going to be able to hit your target as effectively as you can with a precise squeeze page, which narrows down, defines your target, your prospect, your soon-to-be customer, your soon livelihood. Let's do this right from the beginning. Learn how to optimize and use the squeeze page. I'm out.
I hope this video was informative for you. Click on the like button if it was. Hopefully you won't dislike it. We'll see you in the next educational video.